Incremental greetings. This is Glenn Palau, also known as William Palace. Today, I want to show you how you can hide the name of the audio file, especially when it's giving away answer. So take this example. What is the Mandarin tone of the syllable you just heard? Let me go.
Bang. Bang.
As you can see, you only have pay attention not to the syllable, but the tone. It's number 4.
Bang.
Number 1, it's giving you away the answer. How you can avoid that? Pretty easy. As you can see now, I'm using a template because those items were generated via XML import. I haven't done this manually. So first, we'll have Alt, click here, and now you can resize it. And if you notice, you can resize it so the name is not shown, only the horizontal bar of the playback. Now if we skip that, it's no longer shown. As easy as that. Now if you want to make color, because now it's all white and simple, all the items are still the same. That's because it's using the no template. So you really want a template for that. So right click on that, save as template. I will call it, I will call it I for item. That's my convention. Dot and Q audio. That means it's the question, it's just audio. I don't want text. Special attention that the template is not here. I just saved a template, but I haven't applied. Maybe if you are new, especially new for SuperMemo, you will be thinking, oh, it's already the template. Nope. You have now to select it.
Bang.
And now it is, as you can see, Q audio. So now what I need is to make all the other items with this template. So I just click here, I do the search. Here I have all the items and all of them are pending. You click here, apply template to all elements in the browser, IQ audio. So now that this is finished, it doesn't matter if I select another one, let's say Biao, Piao.
Biao. Biao.
Now I cannot see the name of the file. As simple as that. And if in any time in the future I want to make a fancy background or change the color or whatever, it's as easy as going here, template, save as, and put the same name. For instance, here is I.Q audio, and this will affect everything.